Nah. Yeah. Ugh. Okay. Let me see. I can't get you a tighter view. Let's try this. A little more up close and personal. I don't want you to get too close. Another double. Oh, this is making my nose feel so much better. Also making my panties wet. I might pee myself if I'm not too careful. Yeah. Have I blown out your eardrums yet? It's weird. I sneeze through my mouth. It's very odd. I can't let it go out through my nose. Maybe another nose blowing. That one was a real messy one. Ugh. Ew. All slimy. Too bad it's clear. Can't really see it that well, can you? And again? Round 3. Who shall win? The little dentist stick? Or Corey's nose? Oh, my eyes are watering so bad. I'm trying to find that sweet spot. I guess my nose is getting